Hey. Huh?
Busy in the sports department tonight? You think going on?
Yeah, DU, CSU, Houston, Nuggets, Blazers, Arizona, UNLV, Memphis, the Rockies. What, Desi? Didn't do anything with the Bucks tonight. The Bears, Dolphins, Brandon Marshall to a call. Jay Cutler. And this is not Sharon Hill. This is AL team champion Lindsey Graham. Basic instinct today. That's next in sports. Enjoy the best slot machines and table games. Lodge Casino, your first choice for fun. You have a 7 News in the morning has
Oh.